Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, purely experimental. If it does well, that's cool. If it doesn't, I don't have to be a makeup person. Makeup tutorials are pretty popular, at least according to me, because I love them so much, and I get compliments on my makeup sometimes, so I was like, oh okay, maybe I'll do some. This is a natural look. It's kind of heavy on the eyeliner, so it's not very natural, but we can call it neutral. So I hope you guys like it. I should start with concealer for my under eye circle. Urban Decay Primer Potion. Look at the end of this, how ghetto. I dropped it in the sink and it like leaked along right here, like along the rim right there, that edge, and this was the best solution I could think of, and I don't think it's working very well. You don't need to cover your whole eye with it, just a little bit, and you can just rub the rest. I'm going to be using the Ammo palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be doing a lot of different looks with this because I'm so excited that I got it. Plus, it cost me like 39 bucks, so I better get my money's use out of it. That's another thing. If you guys like my makeup this time around and you want to request or something, my looks are not going to be very expensive ones, because I think it's ridiculous that people like, well, not ridiculous because I really love their tutorials, but like, I don't have money for all like MAC and Sephora type brands. Like, I'm a college kid. Anyway, that's why I'm so excited to be using this. I decided to treat myself. This is the most expensive makeup I own. Eyeshadow. Polyester Bride. Sweep that over the lid right here. I'm just using the applicator that they gave me because I don't have good quality makeup brushes yet. But I ordered some from Q-Berry for like 10 bucks, and X-Sparkage recommended it, so that's gotta be good. So I ordered that. I don't have a lot of money to be spending on brushes. Wowie Wowie over what you just did right here. Over Polyester Bride. I don't know if you guys can see the color, like, truly, but it's beautiful. Sparkly treasure kind of gold. Smog. And you're gonna put that in your crease. And a little swoop out at the corner. Blend it softly up. Sing. It's gonna be our highlight. It's not incredibly light, you know. So all along your upper lid, right under your brow. My brows are so light. I need to get my eyebrow pencil. It's on my list of things from Walmart that I need to get. Just kind of blend the smog with it. Eyeliner. Maybelline waterproof liquid eyeliner in black. Shake it up. And I don't have my glasses on, so I hope I'm not doing a bad job. I mean, glasses, contacts. So I hope I don't do a bad job lighting. I usually just pull out that cat eye line at the end. Okay. Do my eyes look uneven? Yes, they do. Crap. Okay. Can't be going out in public with uneven eyes. Mascara. Almay One Coat Nourishing Mascara Triple Effect. I don't know. I bought Big Fatty from Urban Decay. I haven't used it yet. I'm saving it because it's so precious. Even though I recommend what I use, or you know how every makeup artist, makeup person, whatever, recommends what they use, you can use anything you want. Just the colors generally should be similar. I should get better at this tutorial stuff. Normally I would finish my eyebrows, but I don't have an eyebrow pencil. Foundation, I'm using Bare Naturel by L'Oreal in like the whitest shade ever. Blush, I'm just using Lancome Blush All Day in Plum. It's gone almost. No, it's not. Anyway, just I like to suck in my cheeks and go along the cheekbone, like from like the top of your ear to here. Not all the way, because you're gonna look like your face is cut in half, but like, you know, generally from like here to like there. Plunge. So now you have defined cheekbones. Okay, bye.